Hi everyone, it's Sarah at Realm Library. Welcome to another Boredom Busters craft, which are just really simple and easy crafts that you can do at home with really common household items. Today we're making creepy crawly caterpillars and I'll show you how it works. Are you ready? Can you see how it looks like it's crawling? Now all you need to do one of these is a piece of A4 paper. Doesn't matter whether it's coloured, you can colour it in if you just have white paper, and a straw. That's all you need, and maybe a friend or a relative that you can race with. Okay, what we're going to do first is on the shorter end of the paper, we're going to make a fold about 5 centimetres, like that, and then open it up again, and we're just going to cut along that line so we've got a strip of paper, just like that. Now, once you've got your strip of paper, we're going to fold it like this. So first we need to put a fold in the middle. So we're just folding it like that and putting a fold down there, and then we'll open it up again, and we're going to fold this edge into that middle fold and press down tightly, and then we're going to fold the other edge into that middle fold like that. And now we're going to do the same thing again. Fold that edge into the middle, and the same for this side, like this. Make sure you press down really well on those folds, and then we're going to fold it in half on that very middle fold that we started with. Now you're going to end up with something that looks like this. And now we're just going to cut around the edges and round them off to give us our caterpillar shape. So all I'm doing is just cutting around like that. There we go. So it's going to look like that before we unfold it. Now we're just going to unfold our caterpillar really gently. When we unfold it, you'll see that it forms a little bit of a hill like that in the middle, and that's what makes it move when we blow on it with our straw. Now, one of these faces that's sitting on almost flat on the table will be its face. So I'm just going to pop some eyes, but you can decorate it however you'd like to. You might want to put some straight stripes or patterns on your caterpillar. Just like that, there we go. And there's our caterpillar, and let's have a look at him racing again. We'll race this one over here. Are you ready? So you need to blow sort of on the top like this. Did you see him creeping and crawling? Well, I hope you have fun making these caterpillars, and we'd love to see your videos of you racing your creepy crawly caterpillars at home. All right. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.